Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox in your Mac OS. So whether you are using MacBook Air or MacBook Pro M1 chip or M2 chip, this method will work in every Mac OS. So what you have to do, first just type here roblox.com. Okay, now type here. Now here you have if you are going to first time on the Roblox, you have to log in, and after that you will see like this. Now choose any game. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, red light, green light, and here you will see, you wait for a few seconds, and here you will see play button. Just click on it and wait for a few seconds. Roblox is now loading, get ready. Okay, now here you will see download and install Roblox. Just click on it. Now here you will see, just click on the save. Okay, now you will see that it is saved here. Now go to downloads and double click on it, or just click on this file and open it. Now this is Roblox player installer. Click on again, and here you will see Roblox is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure to want to open it? Just click on this open button. Okay, now wait for a few seconds. Here you will see configuring Roblox and other things. Now you have to wait for a few seconds, and it will be configured and installed in your MacBook. Wait for a few seconds and it will done. So like this you can install Roblox in your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.